Hey guys, how's it going? Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, is a great way to have Unix or Linux command, or even some of the Linux graphical user interface run on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It is kind of virtual machine. Well, it is actually a virtual machine, but it integrates nicely within Windows OS. But when you start working with WSL, you might be wondering, where is the actual location of this Linux file system? Or the home directory, for example, or whether or not you can actually access and share files between WSL and Windows system. The answer is yes. It is very easy to locate, and you can also share files between WSL and Windows OS. And I'm gonna show you today in this video. All right, so when you go and open your Ubuntu WSL and type in, you put this down a little bit, and type in explorer.exe and dot and hit enter. This is gonna bring Windows Explorer, and voila, you have that home Ubuntu, and that is actually a share file system on the network. And down here, you can also find directly a link that goes to the Linux file system. All right, so let's go to home Ubuntu. And remember the last time we are talking about the Contiki-NG and running Cooja. Let's try to use Virtual Studio Code now to open Contiki-NG source code. So I'm gonna drag that in here, and there you go. So you have the entire folder of Contiki-NG right now. Let me close this for a while, and there you are. So let's go to the examples. What was the last time? RPL-UDP, yes, and open UDP client, UDP server. So you can actually do editing here, change the code, modify as you want. And then you can execute this on WSL and execute and run it on Cooja, for example, right? Now let's go ahead and let me go down to tools, Cooja, and open in integrated terminal. Well, actually, this is a PowerShell, but if you click that plus sign, you can actually go to choose WSL. All right, so let's go change directory to tools, Cooja, and type in Gradle W run. And there you have it. So now you're running Cooja, the Contiki Network Simulator. Let's create a new simulation. I name it ECA IPv6 simulation. Hit create, and let's sorry, I need to go to modes, create Cooja modes, for example, and browse for, let's go with the hello world. Let's see if we can build this. Compile and create, and there you go. I just add one mode. Let's hit start, and there you are. You got a simple hello world example within the Cooja network simulator. Now we're gonna try to run the sky modes examples with RPL-UDP. So first you want to do export the path to home. Remember that we had to build the toolchain, MSP430 toolchain from scratch. So we need to point that to where the toolchain is. Now, same thing, we can create new simulations, like IPv6 simulation, and go to modes. Now you can select sky modes. Let's name this one as a server. Hit browse. Go to examples, RPL-UDP, UDP server, compile, and create. I'm going to create 5 modes. There you are. And then I'm going to add client, same sky modes, name it client, and go browse for the source code, udb client.c, compile, create, and 5 modes as well. Now I'm gonna show the mode type here. There you go. Now you can see which one is a server, which one is a client. Let's move it this a little bit. There you are. Let's hit start. And there you have it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future video from my channel. All right, see you in the next video.